Welcome to another episode of our Photoshop tutorial series. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to auto-match subject with background. So let's get started. Convert the layer to Smart Object, then click on Select Subject. Click on Layer Mask to remove the background. Then press Ctrl+C to copy the layer and then press Ctrl+V to paste it with background. Then select the subject layer and go to Filter, then Neural Filters. Click on Harmonization, then click here and select the background layer. You can also play along with these settings. Then click on OK.